This is the ZipWall heavy-duty zipper. It lets you put a door in your barrier. First, make sure the zipper pulls are at the bottom. Then, when you're lining it up, it should go past the bend, but not all the way to the edge of the plastic. Pull about a foot of the paper off to get started. Then, just attach the zipper, pressing it into the plastic as you go. Now, open the zipper all the way up. Use the zipper knife that comes in the package. Just poke the claws through and slide it down. It has two super sharp blades that double cut the sheeting in one stroke, which keeps the plastic clear of the zipper teeth so it won't jam. Now, install a second zipper to make a door that's as wide as you want. When you're done with the second one, install the flap hooks to keep the door open when you need to. It's as simple as that.